Going to look for a little place to put you. This is always quite a hassle, so bear with me. These boxes. Come on, buddy. These boxes are so huge. They're super nice for storing away clothes and big stuff. But it's quite heavy and I hope I don't trip. So if you never see the end of this vlog or if it will never be published, it's because I have died on my stairs at home. So. So much clothing! This dress is one of my favorites. It's very nice, very dressy, but I do wear it on a casual day as well. Is this not the most perfect autumn dress? It has these beautiful flowers in these like autumnal colors with all the like pink and reds. It's so gorgeous. This is what I'm working with. My closet isn't super huge or anything. I really minimized it over the years. When I was a little bit younger and I lived with my parents, I bought all the clothes, all the trends. I don't do that anymore. I just buy what I really love, what's my style, and I always ask myself, will I like this 5 years from now and will it stand the test of time? It's not a minimal or casual wardrobe. Casual? It is a casual wardrobe. Capsule. It's maybe not a capsule wardrobe, although I find it very easy with my wardrobe to mix and match my clothing. But yeah, I think most people maybe have quite a bit more in their closet, I think. But there's still a lot of summer stuff in here and I just want to. As you can see, little overview. Okay, I'm going to start on the left and then I'll just work my way to the right. I think that might be the easiest. So yes, I'm going to take things out first and then I'm going to put my seasonal stuff back in. You've seen this guy. My nail! No! Oh. This is the dress that I wore in my Easy on Sunday vlog. It's a super basic black dress, short sleeves, lifesaver. I wear it so much. It's great for spring as well as summer, late summer. But now it's just getting too cold and too wet. So this will be taken aside for next year. See you next year. I'm so happy I can finally do this. I've been, the entire month I've been thinking, I want my autumn closet back. I want to get rid of this stuff and now it's finally time. Maybe I'll just put you on a little time lapse because I think it will be quite boring to pick up all the clothes and show you what is in it. So I'm just going to time lapse it from here. See, it's not that many clothes left. And then also my bottoms are not that many either. Looks like 4 but it's 5 and 1 is in the wash. So I have around 6 bottoms that I really wear on rotations. I don't think that's too bad actually. Now for fun stuff. Very nice and warm winter jacket. I've had this for quite a few years. I think like 6 or 7 even. Denim and Supply by Ralph Lauren, I think. It's a little bit more affordable. Yeah, I don't think it's quite cold enough for this yet because this is really hot. But, let me see. Long sleeve from Zara. Nice volant on the shoulder. Also, with my closet, maybe I've mentioned it before, I think in one of my first vlogs, but I organized my closet from category to category. I have different categories, so t-shirts, long sleeve, blouses, jackets, sweaters and dresses. And then I put them in the closet from dark to light. So that way you always know where you have to hang it. You are never looking at color like I want this one over there or there. It's just, it goes in that category and it goes from dark to light. So this one is black, so it would be the first to go, you know? I put the ones without a print first and then I do the prints because with the print they're a little bit lighter than the ones who don't have it. So this is so cute. It's from Selected Femme as well. Gorgeous knitted hat. I had to think about that one for a little while. Only problem I have with hats, it goes so itchy on me. Like my forehead, when I wear a hat for an hour, I'm like, can't stand it. But I love them. Lovely sweater is from Samso and Samso. I've had it for 3 years, I think. I call this my pumpkin sweater because it's orange and it has the color of a pumpkin, but it also has these big billowy sleeves. So I don't know, pumpkin sweater. But I know you shouldn't hang your knitwear. I know, I really don't try to. But it doesn't work for me. I forget that I have it. I find it difficult to search through. I just like most of my stuff hanging in my closet so I can easily just pick it up, clean it up, and I haven't had any issues with shoulders dropping or it losing its shape. So I know maybe in the future I will lay my knitwear and sweaters, but for now I just don't like it. I'm sorry. This is actually one of my favorite jackets. So nice and warm. So cozy. That's a wrap. It actually looks like quite a lot of clothes, but 3 hangers came out, so I guess it's just because the clothes are a lot bulkier and bigger or something. Look at all the textures, I love it. Also my shoes. Quite neat. That's all I got. And these ones. These are the Sherpa Converse, so they have the like little wool tongues on it. Hello, it's a different day today. I'm back at my favorite place in the world, which is the garden center. I really wanted to get, I'm going to drop these down because that's annoying as hell. I want to get a nice vase for some extra dried flowers in my bedroom. Our bedroom is very stark, not stark maybe, but it's just very plain still. We haven't hung up anything on the wall and we don't have anything in front of a window, and I just like it to be a little bit more cozy. So I'm going to go in here again because I've been here last week, but I could go here every day to be honest. It's so nice. So yes, I'm going to go in and we will search for another vase. So
and I hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun. And every morning
It's way too early for this, but oh my god, I love it. This year we really want to get a big wreath on our front door, and I think it might be something like this, but obviously it's still too early. But in a few weeks, 1 or 2 months.
shorts is still warm. I drove 3 hours to feel the rain, 'cause I'm tired of the sun. And every morning all feels the same. Where did all the rainy days go? Where did all the rainy days go? All